Hello and good morning everyone. I'm Parveen. Today we are going to start with a new session or a next session of class 9 history chapter 1 French Revolution. Before in many sessions we have seen many different parts of this particular chapter. We have seen that how in France there was a social and economic inequality and there is economic exploitation with the third state people in France, because France is divided into three different societies. That is, first three different French society is divided into three different classes. That is first state, second state and third state. And third state is suffering from social and economic inequality. That is why the people of third state have started with the revolution. We have also seen that they started with the revolution against the king monarch King Louis XVI, and they have started that revolution to get equal political and social rights as first and second state is having. And that is why they have started with the French Revolution, and we have seen that they have also gained success in that revolution. They have started with many political clubs and then they abolished King Monarch. We have seen in our last video that they abolished King Monarch, and Maximilien Robespierre, who was the leader of that particular revolution, took control over the country and they drafted a new constitution. And we have also seen that Maximilien Robespierre is like a dictator in France, who imposed many laws and rules on France people. That is why they didn't accept the government of Maximilien Robespierre. That is why they abolished or they thrown out they convicted that government of Robespierre. After which we have seen that constitution or democracy was not there in France for so many years, and dictatorship came in France, military dictatorship came in France by Bonaparte Napoleon. We have seen that till our last videos. Now in this particular video or in this particular session, we will see that when French Revolution was there, on that time women are also an equal participant of that particular revolution. Now we will see the contribution of women in the revolution, or before that we will see that what are the condition or what was the condition of women in France before revolution, and what was the condition of women after the revolution, and what they do to have their what they demanded and what they do to gain their rights from the government. Now we will see that. So the next topic, also the topic of this particular session is, did women have a revolution? As French Revolution was there, did women also participated in that revolution? Did they also have their separate revolution for them in France? Now we will see that. See, when we are talking about the women in France before revolution, or we can say in 1789, where there is social and economic inequality or economic exploitation with the third state in country, the women of third state were also suffering with the same problem. Now what are their problems? When we are talking about the revolution, women are also the active participants of the revolution. As we have learned in our last video, when revolution was there, when there is a war with King Monarch, when third state people are having war with King Monarch, we have seen that men are in front of the war, men are fighting in front, and women, they are having a responsibility to earn livelihood for their families and to take care of their families when men are not there, when they are involved in the war. So we can say that women are also taking equal part in revolution by helping men, by taking care of families and by earning livelihood for the family. They are supporting the men, they are helping the men so that they can peacefully and freely they can fight with the king, or they can have a revolution with the king. So women are also an equal participants of the revolution. Now when we are talking about the women of third state women, they are also having certain kind of expectation so that they can improve their lives. That is why they have they took equal participation, or they took equal participant, or they are the equal participant of French Revolution, because they also wanted to improve their life. On that time, as third state men also does not have any political or social right, women are having worst condition than men, because they are also having no political and social rights, as man is having a right to education, but women does not have a right to education in France. Only the wealthier, or only the high class women, or the wealthier women, like first state or second state, noblemen and clergy, their women are having a right to go to convents, and they are also having a right to marry according to their own will. But women of third state does not have a right to get education, and they also don't have a right to get married by themselves or by their will. They need to get to marry the men who is decided by their family. So women have no social, no personal and no education right. Third state women does not have any kind of right on that time in France. So they equally took participation in French Revolution, so that they are expecting that their lives will get improved by the new government. And when we are talking about the women of third state, they are also working, because they also need to earn for their families. So they are working as laundresses, sold flowers, fruits and vegetables, or as a domestic servants. Women are doing all these kinds of work. They are not running any kind of business like men of third state are doing. They are not allowed to do any kind of business. They are doing all small kinds of jobs, like they are selling vegetables, fruits and flowers in market. They are working as a domestic servants in first and second state families, and they are also working as a laundresses, and they are earning. But whatever they are earning, it is very low. Their wages are very low when compared to men. In comparison of men in third state, women are getting very low wages, and they also does not have an education, as we have seen before, or as I have told you before, that women does not have right to education. So they don't have any kind of education, they don't have a right to get education, they don't have a right to get job trainings, so that they can improve their condition of job. They are not having any kind of training. After working as domestic servant, or after doing all these kinds of work, they also have a burden of family. They also need to work for the family, they also need to take care of the family. So they have twice of the burden than men. Men are only working for earning, but women are earning, and as well as they need to take care of the families. So that is why women took active participation in French Revolution, so that they are expecting to improve their condition. When French Revolution was there, or when the new government was there, women also have their own political clubs. As we have seen that there is a political club which is known as Jacob Club. And after getting independence, or you can say after abolition of King Monarch Maximilien Robespierre, who is a leader, or who was a leader of Jacob Club, he becomes the ruler of the France. So over here you can say we see that in French Revolution, women are also having an active participation. That means they are also having their own political clubs. And through their political clubs or rallies, they demanded equal rights as men. They demanded equal rights as men with from the new government. And as they demanded equal right as men when a new government was there. First, when new draft of the constitution was there in 1791, they are not happy with that constitution. They are disappointed, because in that constitution, women does not have any right. All the rights are given to men. So that is why they demanded, or they had their own revolution to demand equal right as men. So after the revolution, or when new government was there are many kind of different laws or rights which has been given to the women, which improves the condition of women in France. Now we will see what are those changes which is brought after King Monarch or by revolutionary government. A new government has given certain rights to women, which changes the lives of women. Now we will see what are those laws and what are those changes. as we have seen that women have no right of education. New government has made many schools and colleges, state schools and colleges for women, so that in their own state they can have education. Third state women are also having a right, also get the right to education. And to give education to women, new government or revolutionary government started or created many state schools and colleges. And education becomes compulsory for women, compulsory school going for women. Women are also getting education, and by getting education they get to know about their civil and political rights, and they also get a right to marry with their own will. There is no force. Before that, the women have no will to get married to anyone. They need to marry a man who is decided by their family. But revolutionary government has changed that concept. Revolutionary government has given women a right to get married by their own will. So they could not be forced to marry against their will. And the revolutionary government also made divorce legal, so that if woman is not happy with a man, he can or she can take a divorce with a man, because divorce becomes legal for women. And new government also gives equal civil and political rights to women. In 1946, women also get right to vote. They also become the active voting members in France. And their government also provided them training for job, so that they can run small kind of business, and they can also earn good, and they can also be equal with the men. So over here in this particular session, we have seen that women are also an active participant of French Revolution. They also took part, and they also demanded their freedom. They also demanded their rights as equal to men. So I hope you will understand. Now I will see you in next video with the next topic. Thank you.